Encountering error 0x80070666 while installing Microsoft Visual C++ on Windows 11? Here are 4 quick fixes to solve it. Open the Run dialog using Windows and R, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. In the Program and Features window that opens, locate the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistribute package. Right-click on the package and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation process. Restart your PC. Now, try installing the package again. Click on the Fix-It Tool download link. Click on the Download Troubleshooter button. Locate the downloaded file on your PC and double-click on the executable file. In the appearing window, click on the Advanced option, as shown below. Ensure Apply Repairs Automatically checkbox is being checked and click on the Next button. Click on Installing. Choose the problematic package. The system will suggest probable fixes. Try out both of them and check what works in your case. Open the Run dialog using the keys Windows and R. Type the below command and press Enter. MS Settings to Windows Update. In the appearing window, click on the Check for Updates. Once the updates are being installed, restart the system. Open the Run dialog using the keys Windows and R. Type CMD and press Enter. In the command prompt window that opens, copy-paste the below commands one after the other. cdc userso %username %downloads vc _redist.x64.exe/uninstall. You will see a window popping up. Click on the Repair button. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the repair process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.